How to turn on or turn off tap to show full notification on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go back to settings and then go down and tap on notifications. After that, we scroll down and tap on tap to show full notification. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And it says here, Apple Watch can hide the full details of a notification behind a summary until you tap on it. Now you can also change these settings on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, you open up the Watch app. Then you open up the Watch app on your home screen or in the app library. And then we go down and tap on My Watch. Next, we tap on notifications and then tap on tap to show full summary. So you can tap on that to turn it on or switch it off. Now you can see that if I go in here and if I switch it off, it will also switch off on my watch as well. So both of these settings are synced to each other. And if I turn it on my watch, it will also switch it on the iPhone as well. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.